warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judges, teacher, my beloved friend and audience. First of all, let's thank Allah, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to lightness in the world as well as in hereafter. Before I deliver my speech, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kesha Shafira Octaviani. I am 12 years old and I am student of elementary school Tohegarsari. Today I wanna deliver my speech under the title Why Always Plastic? Plastic is widely used everywhere these days. From household to supermarket, plastic is found everywhere. People use plastic because it is convenient to use and cheap. We all know that plastic waste take a long time to decompose. It can take up 1,000 years to decompose plastic in the landfill. 2 million plastic bags are used every day worldwide, and there are few types of plastic that are not recyclable. Because of that, every year nearly 1.1 million birds and animals are being killed by plastic. So, say no to plastic single use. That are my speech. I do apologize if there are some mistakes in my speaking. I hope there is benefit for us, especially for me as speaker. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.